What's up, everyone? Sifu here. Wow, what a beautiful morning today. And I have a very nice video I'm going to talk about today. I feel it will benefit you if you're watching this. Alright? So, in fact, today I'm going to talk outside my house. This is my baby. Her name is Nisha. Ooh, beautiful Volvo. Ooh, okay. So now, today I'm going to talk about a very interesting. Can I just sit down here? Ah, okay, I can sit down now. Okay, there with Nisha next to me. Ooh, okay. Okay, anyway, today's topic is going to be very interesting. Some students are telling me, Sifu, why is it my children are not doing well? They enroll into the class, they are sort of like doing their homework, but they've been coming for all the classes. Yet, some are doing well, some are not doing well. So, in my class, I can categorize to three groups of students. One, when they join, let's say out of 10, one or two will do very well. Okay, that's the statistics. The other two or three, they will not do so well. And then the other four or five, they will be very slow and fall behind. So I'm talking about the 4 or 5 or 6 people that are falling behind. What is it that they are doing? And what is it that the fast ones are doing? What are the second fast one are they doing? So today's video I'm going to talk about that. Is it too noisy? Is it too noisy? Boleh ya? Boleh ya? Can you all hear me? There's a motorbike sound. I think go inside and talk better lah. Very noisy. I want you all to hear this beautiful content because I feel if your children or even yourself knows this, why am I so dark lah? Oi. Okay, I'll go inside the house and talk lah. I think on the light here. Ah, okay. Ooh, okay. Let me close the door. Hello, hello. Okay. So now we have my cat here. Hello, cat. Meow. You want to join my talk together? Okay, we shall do this video together with my cat. Sit down lah. Yo. Okay. So now, this is a very interesting topic because I want you as a parent listening to me or a student listening to me, I want you to fall into the top 10. That means your children are coming in, you're doing well, they're scoring very well in their school, and they're excelling. So now the first question you have to ask yourself is this: why do you want your children to do well? Why? That's a very interesting question. Sifu, I want my children to get A. See, that's the problem is there. You want your children to get A. What else do you want in your children besides getting A? I see you have not thought about it. Have you thought about you want your children to develop better thinking skills? Do you want your children to have more wisdom? Do you want your children to have more thinking capabilities or wisdom or effective in doing their day-to-day task? What is it that you want your children? That the problem is there. You don't know what you want for your children. You only want A. That's the problem. When they don't get the A, oh, problem. You see, not necessary your children are slow or they are getting E, they are bad. No. Doesn't mean they are fast, they are great. Doesn't mean they are getting A, they are great. For me, no. Why? This is a very interesting video because during our school days, okay, I was in the B or C class, I'm not sure, okay. Those who are in the A class, they do very well in their studies, okay. But then, when it comes to PE, PJK, turun padang main bola, they are not really good on the field, you know. They're so only. Maybe one or two are good, but majority are not good because they are so into academics. Then whereas you go to the last class, the L class, K or JK, L class, last class, maybe they're not so good in their studies. They're bad in their studies. But put them on the field, they are very good footballers. They are very good runners. You see, all the best runners in the school. You know what I'm talking about. I'm not talking about just making it up. It's from my life experiences. Majority good runners are from the last class. So can you say they are bad? No, their academics is low, but their fitness is there. This side, the academics is good, but the fitness is not so good. So how can you say that they are bad and this is bad? No. Everybody has their own capabilities. So now if you want your children to get an A, I think that's where the problem is. Remove yourself from expecting your children to get A. I suggest you to work on developing your children's thinking skills, capability skills. Okay, because I realize parents set a very wrong expectations on their children, and they end up getting disappointed because their children is not doing well. Few factors can fall in place. Number one is because you didn't do well in your school. Okay, maybe you got an E or D in school, so now you want your children, so you put in your own belief that you couldn't do it, you want your children to do it in school. Appa punya ni, hey, you don't put your own beliefs in your children lah. Your children is your children. Why are you putting your beliefs in just because you couldn't do it, you want your children to do it to make you feel good, is it? Just because your friend got A or B and then you got D, now your children coming in, you want to make sure your children get A. I got so many parents are doing this. I said, you better stop this nonsense. Okay? Stop putting your own beliefs in your children. Your children are your children. Your job as a parent is to give them the support. If you're giving them the support, they are still getting a D, doesn't matter. That is the best that you can do. Okay? But you giving them the support, expecting them to get an A, that's where the problem is. Don't stop it. Okay? And then that's the first one. This was you didn't do well long time ago. The second one is you're comparing your children with other children's, your neighbor's children's, your relatives' children. Oh, they are already getting A, and they will come and tell you, my children got A, my first daughter got A, second daughter got A. What about your children? This is where you'll say lose face, Okay, your munji gone already. Okay, your mukha suratara already. Just because your children didn't do well. Your children getting D. So you don't want that losing face. So you tell you better study, get A, so that you will not get face. Can you see how selfish that is or not? Just because your neighbors are getting A, you don't want to wait, don't want to lose face, and you're pushing your children to get an A just because you don't want to lose face. Can you see how selfish that is or not? Stop that. Do not put expectations in your children. Okay? When all these jokers come and tell you, oh, my children got A, what about your children? Just tell them none of your business. Finish. I rather hurt them. It's better that you hurt them than to hurt your children. Why are you want to protect yourself not to get hurt for you? Because of some jokers getting A, so what? They're getting A, so what? Huh? Your relatives got A, so what? Nothing great. Okay, I wasn't a straight A student. Okay, I remember this story I can share with you about this friend of mine. Okay, I don't want to mention name. Okay, jangan dia pula tengok video ni. Okay, he had 2 children. Okay, they get straight A's for their SPM. Okay, the first son got straight A's and then 1 B. Not B. All A1, 1 A2. Do you know she was crying in SPM? Crying. Okay, crying. She didn't see about the 8 or 9 A1. Okay, you saw the A2. Okay, because of the A2, our friend is like, oh, stress. My mother is going to scold me. Okay, and true enough, when he went back, the mother scolded him. What nonsense is this? He was living in so much of guilt because there was 1 A2. What nonsense is this? Why not look at the 9 A1 that you got? Why 1 A2 just because it's still A, what? Oh no, I want all A1. That's the problem. Parents putting their selfish needs on their children. Stop that. Okay. Then when the second child got straight A's one, I see your daughter. You see 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 your son. See, the second one is doing well. What about the first one? See, there's some another problem there. Okay. For me, I'm different. Of course, there is competition among siblings. Yes. Okay. For me, my competition is my brother. Yes, my brother was much smarter than me. Yes, his IQ is higher than me. Yes, he he's, he knows he studies more than me. Yes. Okay. But the best part here is in his SPM, he got two A's. Okay. In my SPM, he and me 3 years difference. My SPM, I got 3 A's. Do you know how happy I was or not? Even though I got C, D, and E, I almost failed my Sejarah, I think. Sejarah or Malay, I failed, almost failed. I didn't get F lah, okay? E or what? I got 3 A's. I didn't care about the E. My brother got 2, I got 3. Do you know I was the happiest child in the planet? I was so happy that I got 3 A's. Not because I got 3 A's. I got one more A extra than my brother. Oh, I was on top of the world. I went for celebration. Whereas my friend, he was crying. He was crying. 9A1, 1A2. Crying. So what nonsense is this? Okay, so I feel parents, you don't impose your high expectation on your children. If your first child is getting an A, your second child is failing, doesn't matter. Send love to both of them. Because you never know, one day the child is getting an E, he will be a business owner. He probably own multiple companies. You just don't know where he will go. Maybe the first child getting an A, he might work in a corporate company or might work in an oil and gas company one day. Do not worry about school academics. Stop it. Yo, my button too much. That straight A's will not make a great difference in your life. Okay, even in secondary school also, A's is not because you see this is like this, the mindset of children is when the first child is getting a okay, mother asked me to do, I have to study, I have to obey my mother. Can you see or not? Mindset of an employee mindset. I have to obey my mother. I don't want to get scolding. Okay, I don't want to go through pain and all that. I don't want trouble, so I follow what my mother say, the teacher say. All I follow. The second one, the mindset will be like, I study for what? I do this for what? It's wasting my time. It's not even. It's just wasting my time. I'd rather play for a video game. That's more fun. Very nice. Can you see or not? His mindset is fun. He wants to enjoy his life. Second son is obeying. He wants it. But are they wrong? Is he wrong? No. Is this guy wrong? No. It's just two people thinking is differently. So if I was you as a parent, send love to both of them. Yes. If he's playing a lot of video games, encourage him to do video games. Do play more video games. Profit on all platforms. Remember, parents, profit on all platforms. If your child is playing video games, open a YouTube channel. Ask him to do more videos and do well. Okay, if this guy is doing well in their studies, encourage, send for tuition. Go, give him the studies, give him the necessary courses. Go. Then you leverage on both sides. That's what my parents did to me. My parents never focus must get A, must get A. No, my parents never. That's the beauty I had with my parents, especially my mom and dad. They have never said, Kairesh, you must get A, huh? No matter what A. No. They only told me, do your best. Do your best. You cannot get an A, at least you know you did your best. Okay, chukup. Done. That's the beauty I like. That's why I had a good school life. I enjoyed. I had good laughter, fun. Let your children enjoy life. Stop putting them this, must get A. You cannot enjoy life in school. Only get an A. Just to satisfy your ego. Stop this lah. Love your children no matter what. Let's say they are failure in school. Doesn't mean they are failure in school, they are failure in life. Doesn't mean they are getting A in school, they get A in life forever. No. Different children has different capabilities. Love them, give the support for both of them. You just don't know where they will end up with. But your job as a parent, give love and support regardless of whatever people say about your children. Okay? Stop this. Just tell them none of your business. Yes, they didn't do so well. So what is your problem? Oh my children got A. That's good for you. But I'm not bothered. Straight A's never made anybody rich. Never made anybody successful. It's just school only. Telling you where you are only. Nothing great. Okay? So next time just tell this all these jokers, they just mind your business. What are your children got none of your business, no need to know. Oh, why you want to, that's none of your business. Because you are here to compare about all of your children. You just want to feel good talking about your children to anybody. Maybe you should stop that. I tell all these jokers. Maybe you should stop bragging about your children to people. Okay? Just be humble and learn all this. You must straightforward. Why are you scared of all these jokers? Why? Why? Don't hurt your children. Don't hurt yourself. To hell is all these people. Alright? I hope this video has given an eye opener to all parents listening to this. Love your children, give support to your children. Okay, don't impose your belief to these children just because you want to satisfy you want to jaga other people's hati. Take care of yourself, take care of your children.
谢谢。